Do you want to put the paddles in first, Kev? You sure? Alright, hold on, mate. Oh, got to get checked in as well? Alright. Yep. I knew this stuff would come in handy at some point. Go on top, Kev, wouldn't it? Go on top of the beer. It should be straight up. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. That is amazing.
Do you want to put mine on top?
You can just put yours at an angle, chap. Yeah, just stick it up at an angle, that'll be alright. That's the river now. It's black. What? Oh, I'm reading the jumpy a tip. Hold on, I'll just put on YouTube. It says J. Davidson Motorsport, Rob Speak 318, Ambulance Pan Anderson 2.